Hello guys, welcome back to Lame Stuff for Kids. Okay, so what we're gonna do today in this video is I'm gonna teach you how to fold paper airplanes, but it's the upgraded version. It's not the version like the everyone knows version. Okay? So you need a paper first. You can choose any type of paper, scratch paper, new paper, any paper, okay? Okay, so what I chose is a scratch paper. And there's stuff here, okay? Okay. So, this is the paper. I'm gonna start folding. You first fold it in half. The front the front steps are quite the same because it's the steps in the back that are different. Okay, after you fold it in half like I did here, you fold it like a triangle. Like this, triangle. And then you fold the other half like this. So it becomes symmetrical. And then after this, you fold another big shaped triangle. And you do the same to the other side. So it's also symmetrical. Now it doesn't look like an airplane, right? Because it is not an airplane yet, okay? So after this, you fold it like this. You see this part, right? The pointy part. I'll just call it the pointy part. You fold the pointy part to the back. It's okay if you go over it. So I'm gonna go over it. After you go over it, you'll do this. You'll fold it back, but don't fold the whole thing back. You fold like you leave a little space here so that because this special type of airplane needs to have this part. After you fold this part, you fold it in half. Easy, right? But you need to press it so to make sure that it is pressed well. You can use your fingernails like this, but I prefer to use my my meat place. It's the meat place. Ha ha ha. Okay. After pressing it and folding it in half, you can fold it the other way, not this way, not fold it this way again. You fold it the other way. But don't fold too much because then you won't have a place to hold it. Then that would be like really funny because you can't fly your airplane. And the same thing, you need to press it down. And then the other way, you do the same thing. But make sure it's symmetrical. And how do you make it symmetrical? You can line up with the first one like this. You can line it up like this. Not like this, you line it up like that. Okay? And after folding that, press it again. It doesn't need to be perfect because nothing is perfect. You don't open the whole thing, okay? You don't open the whole thing. You only you see there are 3 layers, right? 1, 2, and 3. You take away the 1 and the 3. This is 1, right? This is 2, this is 3. You take away 1 and 3. And then after you take it apart, it's like this, right? And then there's a 2 here, right? You take up the 2 and then it's an aeroplane. Isn't that so cool? It's not the everyone knows version. Okay, and Please subscribe my videos. And thank you. And